Do you feel that life is boring? Do you feel that our society is stagnating? Well, you don't have to stress because these inventions will blow your mind and make you feel like you're in the future. It's time to meet an extraordinary invention that'll leave you speechless. Last Energy's PWR20 design blends proven technology with existing supply chains for on-time and on-budget deployment. As an adaptable solution from behind-the-meter solutions for industrial installations to distributed baseload for grid applications, with a production capacity that allows the number of units to be adjusted to meet customer demand. All components are manufactured and tested at the factory before being assembled into standardized modules. Once on site, the modules are quickly connected and commissioned, minimizing construction activities. They use proven nuclear technology in hundreds of power plants worldwide, leveraging operational experience, regulatory familiarity, and readily available fuel. Capacity factor: 95% availability, 72-month fuel cycle, less than 3-month refueling outage. Power output: 20 megawatts electrical, approximately 80 megawatts thermal. And that's just the beginning, because the next invention is mind-blowing on a whole other level. The revolutionary patented hover wing design of the Coverett X7 not only ensures optimal performance in extreme conditions, but also raises the bar for safety and durability. This aerodynamic invention not only provides a smoother and more stable flight, but also offers increased resistance to adverse environmental elements, giving pilots unparalleled confidence in any situation. In addition, the Coverett X7's advanced hybrid propulsion system takes efficiency and performance to new heights. With the perfect combination of electrical power and fuel capacity, this aircraft offers greater range and speed than its conventional counterparts. The inclusion of an onboard generator ensures continuous autonomy, allowing automatic recharging before and after each flight. If you like this invention, get ready, because the next one will blow your mind. These iconic boots, a revolutionary invention you must see, are characterized by their innovative design, where controlled flat spring directs straight movement relative to the ground. This operating principle, combined with the action of the compression spring and the rearward displacement of the support point during deformation, creates a platform that supports the natural movement from the heel to higher loads, allowing the runner to maximize their jumping energy. In short, they literally make you fly. They're ideal for a variety of purposes. They provide an exciting and unique exercise experience, perfect for those looking for a new adventure in the world of entertainment. They also foster a sense of adventure in young people, helping to exercise both mind and body, especially after long hours of studying or online gaming. They're also great for keeping fit and losing weight, helping to reduce body fat, improve cardiovascular health, and tone the lower body muscles. In addition to their physical benefits, these boots are also stress killers. Exercise itself is an excellent way to release tension, but it's important to remember not to overdo it, as excessive exercise can also create stress. So use them to relax and enjoy your outdoor activities with complete peace of mind. But if this one was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much. Bionic Apparel, a truly remarkable invention that has changed the world, represents a remarkable advancement in assistive technology for people with mobility impairments. Equipped with sophisticated sensors that constantly monitor movement in real time, this innovative garment accurately assesses muscle activity and the position of affected limbs. Thanks to customized algorithms, functional electrical stimulation provides precise electrical stimulation to the necessary muscles, meticulously coordinated with the gait cycle. This stimulation system targets the 4 major muscle groups of a leg, ensuring a complete and balanced response. In addition, the technology used allows the system to distinguish between different postures, such as sitting, standing, or walking, ensuring that stimulation is applied appropriately in each situation. It also continuously adjusts stimulation patterns to further optimize efficiency and comfort, making every step smarter and more personalized. And that's just the beginning, because what's next? Can it even be considered real? Unconventional inventions that defy expectations. Blowers are designed to protect crops from frost, with a unique design that ensures effective coverage in both flat and mountainous terrain. What really sets Tow & Blow apart in the market is its versatility in movement and configuration. Its support tower can rotate 360 degrees, allowing for precise adjustment of airflow direction. In addition, its ability to adjust rotation speed ensures an even distribution of air over the desired crop area. Unlike other options, Tow & Blow doesn't require a cement base, making it more convenient and easier to transport from one location to another, towed by a vehicle or tractor. In addition, its low fuel consumption reduces emissions and operating costs, Equipped with a thermostat that automatically activates the fan according to preset conditions, and with a built-in LCD screen for more precise control, this solution offers efficiency and convenience for frost protection in the field. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much. Velo's innovative, patented expendable structure features an extra-wide pop-up handle and buttons located at the top. With the simple push of a button, you can expand or collapse Velo's size in seconds. Plus, with its sleek polycarbonate shell, durable aerospace aluminum frame, custom adjustable dividers, laptop sleeves, and packing cubes, Velo becomes the perfect luggage for a lifetime, adaptable to any type of trip, short or long, near or far. This revolutionary design is the first in the world to offer a hard-sided case that easily converts between 3 different sizes: 16-inch for small carry-on, 22-inch for medium checked baggage, and 26-inch for large checked baggage. Before leaving the factory, every Velo unit undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure durability, reliability, and high performance. Whether it's long walks, adverse weather conditions, or heavy loads, Velo is designed to withstand the rigors of travel and become your most reliable travel companion. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much. But wait, what about the next step in technological evolution? King Louie, made of a fabric reminiscent of bicycle tire rubber, offers a unique combination of lightness and ease of repair in the event of damage. Imagine a team of scientists struggling with a bicycle pump to inflate bicycle tires. But they won't have to, because King Louie is designed with materials that ensure durability. Movement is controlled by inflating and deflating air chambers that act like muscles in the limbs. Although this technique is effective, the structure changes each time it's inflated or deflated. However, King Louie's purpose goes beyond being a mere companion for children. BYU has received funding from NASA to adapt this robot for space missions. Its ability to deflate makes it ideal for storage in confined spaces such as spacecraft. Plus, we think it's better to have a fabric robot floating in zero gravity than a Terminator-looking metal one. Now for another incredible invention that defies expectations. But what lies behind this milestone innovation? The Labrador Retriever is definitely more than just a robot. It's a life companion designed to provide a complete and flexible solution for the home. Its ability to adjust the height of its platform, both top and bottom, offers exceptional versatility and adapts to the individual needs of each user. From 25 to 38 inches on the top and 11 to 24 inches on the bottom, the Labrador Retriever adapts perfectly to different environments and tasks. One of its outstanding features is its automatic retrieval function, which allows it to retrieve and deliver specially designed trays, either by voice command or according to a preset schedule. These trays, which can hold up to 10 pounds of items, are essential for organizing and transporting various items around the home. In addition, the Labrador Retriever comes with an initial set of 2 standard Labrador trays and their corresponding storage pallets, which can be placed on any flat and accessible surface for the robot. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Now we're exploring new frontiers of invention. But what comes after this exciting discovery? The Z-leverage sled is not just a lightweight machine. Each chassis is designed to require a significant force of 132 pounds to operate, ensuring a solid and effective workout experience. Its ability to move laterally and vertically, providing 3-dimensional movement, sets it apart from conventional sleds that operate on rails. The pads flex in all directions, providing a sense of stability and safety during exercise. In addition, its modular design allows for easy adjustment of the sled size to meet specific training needs. With ample pad spacing and a smooth surface on the pontoons, the Z-leverage sled can be used on a variety of terrains, from grass fields to indoor training areas. 2 pad options are offered, each designed to provide a comfortable and secure fit. The Z2 with an integrated chest plate for a firm grip, and the E2 with hand slots. These pads are available in a variety of vibrant colors, allowing users to customize their equipment. In summary, the Z-leverage sled is a versatile and durable tool that provides an effective and comfortable workout for athletes of all fitness levels.